Hi, I'm Joshua Randall. I'm a senior in botany and this is my research pitch. Urban settings are the site of extreme water deprivation, intense heat and cold, pollution, and nutrient deficiency. Given this knowledge, the density of plants is often limited to oases within the deserts of cities. However, plants are present throughout urban settings, reproducing and thriving, but have populations of plants evolved to meet these conditions? The physiology of urban plants, which is an area that will continue to grow throughout our lifetimes, is understudied but has the capacity to help explain modern adaptation and evolution. This new environment could produce a selective pressure on organisms to meet the often unreliable and extreme conditions that are present in urban areas. Or it could select pre-existing traits in populations and further develop them within cities. The hypothesis of my research follows that adaptation is occurring in populations within cities, resulting in divergent phenotypes that relate to carbon accumulation and water transport. Identifying those adaptations can be difficult due to the plasticity that already exists within native populations due to their specific evolutionary tracks. To understand these plastic traits, the physiological changes to leaves, the organ responsible for carbon accumulation, xylem, the tissue that conducts water, and stomata, the control mechanism of transpiration, must be determined. Large amounts of data have already been collected on the leaf and vascular physiology of non-urban or natural systems and individuals. Performing hydraulic and photosynthesis experiments on plants that have established populations in urban settings is the next step. Species that are common to both urban and non-urban settings, such as Aregeron canadensis or horseweed, Portulaca ohlariaceae, common purslane, and Lonicera macchii or bush honeysuckle, could serve as useful systems for determining whether urban traits are a result of plasticity or adaptation through reciprocal planting. Developing an understanding of plants in urban spaces is important as urbanization and climate change are rapidly increasing. But on a more essential level, cities represent a complex, rapid change to both individuals and communities. While we have little understanding of its impacts on the relationships between plants, abiotic features, and their symbionts. More specifically, the relationship between humans and plants continues to change with the introduction of invasive species, the industrial production of plants, and the atomization of communities and traditional knowledge. This has been my research pitch, and I want to thank you for your consideration and time.